That was nice. So I moved the battery back. This is the second flight today on the 4S-5000s. I apologize for the sun. I moved the batteries back just a tiny bit and they feel a little better now. It was dropping its tail on the turns. So these are the new props, the new spinner adapters that Horizon sent, and they seem to be going good. I haven't balanced them, so the onboard could be really shaky, but I'm just not in the mood to balance five blade props. I'm just tracking all the other traffic around me. And just enjoying nice 6-minute cruise flights with the big 4S-5000. So just haul it. It's not bad. Medium rates. Just AES-3X, I believe, is running, and that takeoff featured flaps. I'll try landing with flaps. The last landing, I felt it came in nice and hot, which was no problem. The only thing that's up right now is I need to put an inverter on the servo for the nose gear. The stock gear stripped out right away. So actually I have no nose gear activated, which is fine. Medium throttle right now, just cruising. Very visually appealing aircraft, nice colors, and it flies great. Get a little bit of buzzing off it, but whatever. Feels a lot better with that CG moved back ever so slightly. Plus the pilot's a little bit more relaxed. Whew. It's nice to fly this thing again. It sat for a long time in the hangar with an AR. It was just, hadn't been out, been avoiding things with the COVID situation, keeping our distance as a group, but I figured I needed the stress release. I need to get out flying and relax. So. Alright, I'm going to try and land this thing now because there seems to be a lot of activity flying around and I don't want to interfere. So we're going to bring this bad boy in. Is that a real airplane coming at us? Alright, so I've got my flaps on. Watch her crab in really nice. that was a lot of fun. So E-flite EC-1500 flying in 4S 5000. What a fun airplane. I'm Andre, hope you enjoyed the flight.